The job of the CPU is to carry out the fetch, decode and execute cycle. You need to know what happens at each stage. So fetch stage, it fetches the instruction from RAM. The decode stage, it figures out what it needs to do. And the execute stage is where it actually does it, like a calculation or moving data. And then it loops again, thousands of times per millisecond. If we look at the components of the CPU, you can see from the diagram, we've got the control unit, we've got the ALU, and we've got the registers, and they all have different jobs. So these things are all inside the CPU. Control unit, it's essentially the boss, sending out control signals, keeping everything in order. Then we've got the ALU there that's next to it, and that's arithmetic logic unit, which handles all the maths and logic, and basically together to keep your computer thinking straight. Then we have this thing called cache. Cache is like short-term memory, lightning-fast storage for data and instructions that it uses all the time. And the bigger the cache, the less time it wastes going back to RAM, because cache is closer to the RAM, as you can see. Cache in red and RAM is there, so it makes it a little bit faster, which means quicker performance and less waiting for you. Now moving on to the registers, and you can see them here. These are tiny, ultra-fast memory spots inside the CPU. Each one's got a special job, holds data or instructions temporarily while they're being processed. They're small, but they make everything run a lot smoother.